Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury, which is pretty close to the top end of the trim levels. The car has alloy wheels, signal repeaters, fog lights, and a sunroof. And that big green sticker in the upper right-hand corner of the window tells you that the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the features and benefits of that program to the purchaser of this little Kia Forte. The car is a beautiful royal blue color. As we get on the side of the car, we notice that there's a sign that says Sirius XM is on. A 3-month trial Sirius XM radio is included with the car. Inside, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Driver's memory seat. Rear cross traffic alert. Heated steering wheel. Only 25,500 kilometers on this Forte. In that steering wheel, cruise controls, audio controls, and various other functions. Inside the car, there's that Sirius XM radio. Car has a backup camera. Climate control, dual climate control, not only a single climate control. Down below, auxiliary and USB ports and a couple of charge ports. Heated leather seats in the front. Up on the top, sunroof. That heated driver's seat is also powered. Since this is a Forte 4, your gasoline and trunk controls are right there at your feet. In the back, again, leather seating, and they're heated. That center console does flip up so you can carry an extra passenger. Around the back of the car, a really big trunk. Plenty of room to carry luggage, sports gear, outdoor equipment, groceries. Anything that you need to carry will fit into that trunk. Well, almost anything. If you're looking for a new sedan, I suggest you come on down and take this little Kia Forte for a ride. Remember, the best way to make an informed decision of when you're thinking about buying a new car is to bring the family down, go for a drive, see how well it fits your family, see if it's going to fit your lifestyle. But I'm sure this Kia Forte will fit anybody's lifestyle. We're West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Come on down. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.